everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stefan, and in this video I want to show you how to play Czerny's Opus 599 number 5. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I offer online piano lessons if you're looking for one. There's going to be information below. A few words about the book. Czerny's Opus 599 is a technique book for beginners to intermediate students. It's 100 exercises. Number 1 is the easiest, 100 is the hardest. And in this video, we're going to learn number 5. Now, number 5 finally introduces something new as opposed to 1, 2, 3, and 4, because now we have quarter notes or crotchets in Britain. And we are basically having quarter notes and half notes in the left hand. The exercise is trying to solidify the relationship between quarter notes and half notes, so you can play 2 quarter notes for each half note in the left hand. The right hand is quite stretchy because we have some arpeggio-like patterns and there's quite a lot of finger numbers written in. And as I said before, this book has so many editions and every edition has a different set of fingerings. So the fingering you see in this video is a suggestion only. I'm not even following it at this moment because there is something else that works better for me, but I didn't want to change the Czerny edition. But try to go with the one you see on the screen, and if you find something that is easier for you for your hand shape, by all means you can change that. When you select a fingering or a finger number for a certain note, remember it's better to play this exercise legato, so the right hand completely smoothly, and in order to do that we have to have enough fingers to play the notes connected so we don't lift up our hands in the middle of a melody. Although the book doesn't specifically say you have to play it legato, it's just better for our technique to play these stretchier patterns legato so the hand gets used to that stretching, that sideways horizontal movement. It's 2 lines. The first line has a repeat sign, we play it twice. The second line has a repeat sign as well, so we play that twice too, and we are in 4/4, so 4 beats in every bar, and both hands again are notated still in the treble clef. Let's start with the right hand. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and we start in this C major chord position. It's an inversion because that's a C major, but the G is in the bottom, so we start there. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure when you play it is very even in speed. You don't speed up and slow down or stop in between the bars like this. Because that's, again, not very good. We want to keep a very even speed. And when I talk about legato, just once again to refresh it, we have to connect the notes without any gaps in between them. So that's detaching. There's a little gap between the notes, and we don't want to sustain them either, like this. So as soon as you press down the second note, release the previous one. A beautiful legato, and the hand is going to help that legato. Make sure there is a horizontal movement, a wrist circle, so we move the hand with the notes. We don't keep our hands stiff in one position. Left hand, extremely simple. We only have 2 notes in the first line. We have a C, middle C, and the G. And we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As I said before, when we have repeated notes, we usually always change finger numbers on them to not play it with the same finger, and that's what you can see here. But in this case, because the notes are so slow and it's technically an accompaniment, you don't have to change. You can stay in this C position. There's going to be plenty of other pieces in the book where you can practice changing finger numbers on repeated notes. So let's put it together and let's pay attention to the right hand legato. So when we lift up the left hand to play the C again, make sure the right hand doesn't come up with it like this. So right hand stays connected. See, my left hand is coming up, but the right hand is staying glued together. So let's go the whole line like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when we repeat it twice, we go on to the next line. The second line is a little bit more challenging. We have first an F major broken chord or arpeggio, C, F, A, C. Again, it's an inversion, and then it goes to C. And the left hand starts on F as well, so we get a new note there, and the E as well. So it's a little bit more challenging than the first line. Let's go right hand first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, F major, C major. Now 2 on the G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the end. So again, not absolutely essential to play legato, but it's better for you and it sounds much nicer and it's teaching you an essential skill. Remember, there are no tempo marks in this book in the first few exercises, so speed doesn't matter, it's secondary. Go as slow as you need in order to get all the notes, all the rhythms right, and to make sure your tempo is perfectly even. And when you achieve that at a slower speed, only then you can start increasing the speed. If you play fast and it's uneven or you're missing notes, it's completely pointless. Speed is always secondary.